How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can take a screenshot of snaps on Snapchat without the other person knowing. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to do this, all you have to do is open up Snapchat and I will show you with proof. Just open up Snapchat and then just come to the chat page over here. So basically you can see I've received a couple of snaps, right? So what I will do is I'll just go ahead and first of all turn off my Wi-Fi and then turn on flight mode. Just disconnect yourself from the internet, okay? And just make sure you're on the chat page. Now open the Snapchat that you'd like to view and then take a screenshot of, and then now I'll just go ahead and then actually take a screenshot in this case. So basically you can see that I've taken a screenshot. Now what you want to do is just quickly exit out of Snapchat just like this, and then what you want to do is long press on the Snapchat app icon, then tap on the I button here. Then what you want to do is go to storage, clear cache, if possible also try to clear the data. Now once done, you can just open up Snapchat and then now you can try to relog into your account by turning off flight mode, turning on the Wi-Fi, and this time no one else is actually going to get notified that you have taken a screenshot of the specific snap. And that's it on how you can go ahead and take screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.